Today is the JPMorgan Chase building at New York. It's quite high, 423 meters tall, under construction. This building catch my attention because of the design. In order to have a very wide walkway, the column is focused together, then cantilever out. So this is some of the artist image view of the building, of another perspective, and another perspective. And this is the final one that is being constructed. This is on the right hand side is a building that is under demolition of the existing building. So you can see it's very congested with the neighbor buildings. So existing one is so high, 707 feet. In US, they always talk feet. Well, the new one around 1,300 feet is almost double the height. So this is the sloping I'm talking about. So in order to create a public space, so they cantilever the column out until level 3 or level 4, then going up. By doing so, they can have a big cantilever for the public to walk with. So on the left hand side is the existing building that are being scaffolding erection layer by layer to prepare to bring down. Even though you see the facade still quite new, quite in good condition. On the right hand side is the perspective gold color. Okay, tower crane erection, holding put up, and some of the tentage as the overhead shutter. Scaffolding erection, they start from the middle up instead of the bottom up. Also, there is a tower crane erected to bring up the excavator. This tower crane also is very challenging. It turned out to be not resting on the floor. Again, it's a cantilever platform. So from this photo, you can see tower crane is from a dieback with a cantilever beam platform, then tower crane being erected and going to be extended up. One thing I noticed is in the US, the scaffold, the metal structure is not very well coated. Seems that they have a very open mind on the rust protection. Some of the photos show that the facade being wrapped up with external scaffold. Tower crane already being extended all the way to the roof. By doing so, the excavator can be bring up. So some of the tentage the walkway for the public and as well as the overhead shutter. So this is some photo taken from the neighbor buildings. There are some the overhead beam that are being demolished layer by layer. Even the scrap bin also bring to the roof, bobcat and the scissors lift. Also perimeter the scaffold is quite similar to what being done in Singapore. Another view. So I think they just place a bin at the rooftop. Overall, the site is quite tidy, quite neat. You see the perimeter, the fin, they never purposely cut it off. Instead, they will dismantle piece by piece going down. Okay, so this is the overview of the New York City. This is some of the structure drawing on the left and right to show that they have a very big transfer beam. Vertical is a load pass, but from here have a transfer beam. It's transferred to here, here, and here. So this is very engineer and friendly, but architect like this kind of view. No choice. We as an engineer have to conquer it. Perspective view. So from here we can see for the structure, they not only extend the height, they also extended the footprint. There is an existing structure. Also, there is a new piece of land that they are going to extend. So in all, there's around 3 rows of the mega structure, the level 1. Then from there, they're going up, then going up together and join back with the existing structure after demolish. Another view. So this is a basement footing foundation. Then from the ground floor, we'll start the truss table up. So this is some structures to show that the temporary tentage scaffold to prepare for the metal structure. Steel structure again. just now as I highlight, no fireproofing protection. So you see the boom lift also is parking at the edge of the scaffold. Just from there start to carry out the erection. Overall, you see seems quite scary lah. Another view. So the erection the cantilever walking platform at each joint area to enable the bolt nut as well as the welding. So tower crane being put up. Okay, there's also some the temporary walkway from the one joint to the other joint. This one's also temporary walkway. Okay, this is one view from the top. So this is the mega transfer truss. Okay, so this is the mega transfer truss. So this is the structure that are going to be come up. Okay, so initial setup will take some time. You can see it's like a sesame branch. Is all the sesames came out. They use very extensive of the boom lift. So take note that this truss later will be useful. Okay, take note this truss column for the typical floor going to come up. Once all the joints be done, all this propping tower will be removed. Okay, so they have been started the typical floor, New York crane, NYC, like New York City. So bonded and the steel structure, typical one. Okay, so continue going up. Okay, so just now I said take note of this one. This one will be eventually a passenger hoist location. So in UK, they still in prefer of the total steel structure, means that they don't want to using a concrete wall to cast at the lift core wall. So you can see the set is quite open. Everybody can see through just some of the fencing. So this is just now I see the steel truss they are using as a passenger hoist platform. Passenger hoist 1 and 2. Okay, so this is as a total material delivery platform from here and going in. All the joint area have a temporary platform well concealed for the welding because the spark will fly down if it's not very well contained. So both sets have the passenger hoist. Okay, that's all. I will update again when there's new progress.